talk about the future of our modding tutorial series. Hello everyone, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to the Mentor Code Lab. Today we will talk about what will happen in future and how I want to approach the tutorial series. Now, normally people will sit back and teach you how to do your very first block, item, and stuff like that. However, I want to be a little bit more advanced. Now, what you are seeing in front of you is the Ender IO mod from Forge Modding community, okay? And I'm fairly sure that many of you guys are familiar with Ender IO because it has these neat piping system for energy, for fluid. Actually, let's use the fluid one. So for fluid, and as you see, they sit inside one block, okay? And again, if you add the items, you would see that they are sitting in the same block, okay? Just like so. Thinking about a system like this is a little bit advanced. However, this is exactly what I want to do, not porting the Ender IO directly into the fabric, because let's face it, Ender IO is a very advanced mod that has tons of things like, I don't know, some glasses and some tools. But as you see, we have different concepts that we can work with. For example, we will start with the base items and base blocks. After that, we will start working with a very basic block entity. And by the way, this is not a basic block entity, but hey, it will work. And I will use the Ender IO theme as my way to go forward. For sure, in the long run, we will come back and do the conduits ourselves one way or another. But right now, all I want to do is attack these basic stuff first and then move forward. For example, in Ender IO, you have a lever that will reset itself after some time. This is resetting itself automatically after 5 seconds. And this is a nice thing to have. However, things like pressure plates are not that hard to add to your mod. The things that are inside Ender IO is silent pressure plates that don't make any sound. The glasses, well, I don't understand the concept behind the clean glass because, to be honest, it's just glass. However, you have a glass that players can walk through and other things can't walk through, and the list goes on. For example, you see that it's no solid monsters, so monsters can pass through it. And then you have no solid animals, so animals can pass through it. Glasses that block lights and glasses that emit lights. And well, you see some lights and industrial insulation, okay? I will start with porting some of these items from Ender IO into our own fabric mod. Again, I'm not porting the same mod called Ender IO, but I will try to mimic the concept to some extent, and then we will add some stuff that we didn't have in Ender IO, like furnaces that will accept more than one item. Of course, Ender IO had something like that, but it is a technical mod, and we will go into different aspects of modding and we will go forward from there. Long story short, I'm aiming to teach you modding in a way that you would know how to start your mod and how to finish your mod when the tutorial series is done. So I'm not one of those guys that tells you, hey, this is how you will create your first item, and that's that. Or how you will create one block, and that's that. Advanced block, advanced item. No, that sort of teaching gets you nowhere, provided you can create some items, blocks, block entities. But beyond that, when you want to move forward into a real mod, then you will have issues and problems. One more thing, every now and then, we will come back and take a look at Ender IO project, okay? Now, you may notice that Ender IO is a Forge mod. This is the reason that I chose Ender IO. At the same time, when I'm teaching you how to mod, I am teaching you how to look into an advanced mod like Ender IO and learn from it. And at the same time, I will teach you how to port a mod from Forge into Fabric. Well, there are very different things happening in Fabric compared to Forge. For example, the energy system is totally different. The fluid system is totally different. And a wrong thing that people do when they want to port a mod from Forge to Fabric is that they will open a class. Like here, we will open a block entity like, I don't know, SAGMill from Ender IO. And they will try to copy the code line by line, paste it inside Fabric version, and they assume it will work. However, knowing that machines that use energy or fluid system in Forge uses something called capability, and we don't have anything like that in Fabric. And that is where people fail. Another reason they fail is that Forge has so many events, and Fabric does not provide many of those events, and you need to use mixins. So people, again, hit a bump in the road and they stop and they drop the idea. So we will take a look on how we can get the concepts of a mod, use it in our own mod, and at the same time, use some understanding of advanced mods like Ender IO, and another mod, by the way, will come in handy from Fabric development side later down the road. How can we look into these codes and learn from them and use that knowledge to provide our own mod? So I call my mod Ultra IO. It's not Ender IO. It's Ultra IO, UIO for short. And we will talk about UIO in long run for our mod concepts. And we will have some brainstorming videos that I highly recommend to sit back and watch, because those brainstorming videos teach you how to think about your mod. I had seen many people sitting back and starting with coding and thinking that, hey, I'm coding my mod right from the start, without even sitting back and think, what is happening? What do I want to have in my mod that is not being provided by Minecraft itself? And if I want to provide this mod or that mod, is it a tangible solution? Is it worth it? And will it work? And how will it work? Do I need to put this special mod inside Minecraft? And why would people start using my mod in Minecraft? Okay, so that's when you should sit back and think about different stuff when you're doing things before even coding. That's called planning for your mod and brainstorming for your mod. So I will teach you how to brainstorm. I will teach you how to think. I will teach you how to plan. I will teach you how to import concepts from another mod inside your mod. I will teach you how to look into the code for a mod, and I will teach you how to use code written for Forge and Fabric and use them in your own project. If you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on that bell so that when I publish a new video, you will get informed. Have fun, everyone. Bye.